Hey everyone, welcome again. And in this video, I have another automation by which you can send WhatsApp messages to your new WordPress website users. So guys, suppose that you have created a website on WordPress and you have a registration or sign up page on that website. So if any visitor is going to register in your website, you want to send to him or her a personalized thank you message on WhatsApp. So guys, if you're receiving hundreds of registrations or signups on daily basis, sending those messages manually to hundreds of users can be very repetitive and very time taking. So here I am with an automation to solve this issue for you. Let me show you how. So guys, this will be the flow of this automation. Here, as and when any of your user is going to register on your WordPress website, a thank you message will be delivered on their WhatsApp accounts automatically. So you need not to manually compile a message for every new user. So it will surely save your time and improve your productivity. And to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And the best part is anyone can set up this automation very easily without any coding skills or programming knowledge. So guys, let's set up this automation together. So to set up this automation, first of all, you need to reach here on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And to reach here, you have to use this link pabbly.com/connect. And we have pasted this same link in the description. From here, you can sign up for Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes and create your free account. And it will give you 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, so sign up right now and then log in to reach here on the dashboard. And here you have to create a workflow of automation. To do that, just click here on this create workflow button, and here you can give any relevant name to your workflow. So I am giving the name here as send WhatsApp messages to new WordPress users. Okay, right. So after giving the name like this, you just have to click on this create button and you can see your workflow page is loading up. And on this page, you will see the trigger and the action. So guys, automation work on these two things. So the trigger is the happening of any event which is going to trigger or start the workflow, and the action would be the response towards the trigger. Okay, as in this use case, the trigger would be receiving of a new registration from our WordPress website, and the action towards that trigger would be to send a WhatsApp message or a thank you message to the same user. Alright, so first of all, you have to set up this trigger. So from this choose app field, you have to choose your trigger application first, which is WordPress in our case. So search for WordPress here, select it, and now select the trigger event as user registers. So you will find here is the trigger event user register. So it will trigger when a new user registered. Okay, select this and it will give you this URL. This is called as a Webhook URL, guys, and with the help of this we are going to make a connection with our WordPress website and we are going to capture the response of that Webhook connection. Okay, so you need to follow these instructions written here to make this connection. So let me show you how exactly we can do this. So you can see you need to reach this plugin of WordPress known as WP Webhook. So you have to install this plugin, and after that you have to search for it in your WordPress, and in the settings you will reach this. Let me show you. Actually, this is my WordPress dashboard. This is my WordPress dashboard, and here you can see I have this settings option. Okay, and under the settings on the left hand side panel, you can see I have this WP Webhooks option. Click on WP Webhooks and you will reach this page, the WP Webhooks add-on page. Okay, from here click on this send data button. All right, and under the send data page, when you scroll down, you will find a option here which is called user created option. So from this panel, you have to click on user created, and under this user created section, you have to click on this add Webhook URL button. All right, and here you can give a name to this Webhook connection. So I'm giving the name here as to users, right? And here we have this field, the Webhook URL field. Okay, So guys, here you have to copy and paste this Webhook URL. So just click on copy from here, go back to your WordPress and paste it here in this Webhook URL field like this, and then click on add for create user. Alright, so you can see a new Webhook connection has been added here, right? So guys, after this you will find this connection in this Webhook's name section. When you scroll down, you will find a newly added connection here like this, 2 users. Okay, let's read the instructions now. So alright, enter Webhook name, paste it in the OK. So we are done adding a connection, and here you can see as I have copied this Webhook URL, here it is showing waiting for the Webhook's response. So now we have to perform a test submission or test record. So the test submission would be equals to the trigger event. That means we have to manually register a user, a demo user or a test user, and we are going to capture the response of that test user here in Pabbly Connect, and with the help of that test data we are going to set up this automation further. Okay, so let me show you my registration page that I have created to show you this demo. This is the demo registration page I have created on my WordPress site. You can customize it according to you. I am just showing you the demo, and here I am asking for the first name, last name, username, company name, user email, user password, all right, and phone number. So here the people are going to enter the WhatsApp numbers. Okay, so I'm putting here the name of the new user, let's say John Matthews. So guys, I have entered all the test data like this. John Matthews is a test user, and I have entered all these details. Okay, and this is the WhatsApp number of this user, and I'm going to click on submit here. Okay, so it is saying the email already exists, so let me change the email a bit. All right, let me click on submit again, and you can see the form is getting submitted here. Alright, so you can see user successfully registered. Now let's check in our workflow if we got the data of this new or test registration. So this is my workflow, and you can see in this response received section we got the data as this, and you can see the login details, the name, okay, the email, and all these things related to the person who have registered is fetched here, along with the number, WhatsApp number also. Okay, so this is how we can fetch the test data. Now what we want to send an automated message to new users on WhatsApp. Okay, for that to happen you have to click on the Sections tab, and from here you have to search for WhatsApp Cloud API. Okay, search for WhatsApp Cloud API, selected, and in the trigger event select send template message option, then click on connect. And from this window select add new connection, and here you will see the token field, the phone number ID field, and the WhatsApp business account ID field. So guys, to get these things, first of all you need to set up your own WhatsApp Cloud API, and to do that you can check the links that we have pasted in the description, and you can see the videos in which we have thoroughly explained how you can set up your own Facebook or WhatsApp Cloud API. Or else what you can do, here in the help text of this token field, you can see we have this here text as explained here. Click on this here text and you will reach the forum page of Pabbly Connect, forum.pabbly.com, and in these threads you will see these two embedded videos. So here we have the complete WhatsApp Cloud API setup video, and here we have a video on how to generate a permanent access token of WhatsApp Cloud API. So you can watch these videos, and after that you have to follow these instructions, clear instructions written here to create a connection inside WhatsApp Cloud API, okay, and how you can use it. All right, so you can check that, and here let me show you where you can find these things after setting up your Cloud API. So you need to reach your Meta developer application that you have created. So I'm going to my developers.facebook.com, and here I have created this Meta app. The name of my app is My Connection Message app. Okay, so with this app we need to set up the Cloud API. So I have already created it, and on this page, on the WhatsApp's getting started page, you will see first we got a temporary access token. So temporary access tokens will expire in 24 hours. So we generally do not use it because we are creating an automation. So we need a permanent access token. So you can check that video in which we have taught how to create the permanent access token. All right. And here on this page only, you will find this phone number ID. Copy that from here, paste it here, and you will get the WhatsApp account ID. Copy that from here and paste it here. And as for the permanent access token concerned, generating the permanent access token for making the connection with Cloud API is a one-time task only. Once you get your permanent access token generated, you can save it, and after that you can use the same token to make the connections afterwards inside Pabbly Connect. And guys, making the connection by this process, by filling these three things, is also a one-time task only. Once you get your token generated, permanent token, and make a connection by filling these three things here, what you can do afterwards, you can use this existing connection option. As I have already connected in a different workflow by this process, okay, so now I can use this existing connection option, and by clicking on it, you will find your previous connection names here in select connections field, and from here you can select your existing connection. As I am selecting, this is my existing connection, and by selecting the connection, after that click on save, and you will be connected again with Cloud API like this in just a few moments. Okay, so it's very easy after that, right? And here it is asking for the template's name. Okay, so guys, first of all, to send messages on WhatsApp, you need to create some message templates inside your Cloud API setup, and with the help of those templates we can send messages to multiple people on WhatsApp. Let me show you about my templates. Okay, so in this getting started page of WhatsApp here in your Meta app, you have this step 2, send messages with the API, and here you can see it is written to create your own message template. Click here. So click on this here text, and you will reach this page, the message templates page, and here you can see these are the message templates I have created and get it approved. Let me show you one. So guys, message templates are nothing but the predefined message structures that we need to create here to send messages on WhatsApp. All right, so you can see the message will look like this in WhatsApp when you create here in this template section like this. Okay, and to create a message template, what you have to do, just click here on this create message template option button, and here you can select the category in which you want to create a template, like the auto reply or one-time password or reservation update. So they have many categories. Let me select one, and in the name field you have to give a name to this message template, and here from the languages section you can select your language in which you want to send the message. All right, after that click on continue from here, and here it will show you these fields. So here you can add a header in your message template, and in that header you can enter a text or media. So you can add an image in the header, a video or a document. In the body field, body box, you have to type the main body of the message. Let me show you how. So let's say I'm putting here, hi, this is to thank you. Okay, or anything you want, you can enter the text here. And here guys, you have to put some variable tags also. So to put a variable, just click here on this add variable button, and you can enter a variable tag here. So guys, we add variables here because we need to have a few variables to get them changed automatically with every new message. As you can see, if you want to say thank you to someone, you are going to put the name of that person here. So to get that name changed automatically in every new message, suppose that you are sending the same message to hundreds of people, so you need to change the name of the person 100 times. So to get it changed automatically, you need to put here some variable tags like this. So you have to put these tags in strategic places. After that, you can add a footer also in the message. You can create a call to action button also in the same message, and you can see the preview of your messages from this panel here. Okay, so like that you can create a template. After that, just click on submit and submit your template, and then Facebook will review your template and you will get your template approved within few minutes. Okay, after that you can use them to send messages. Right now I'm canceling this. I'm just showing you the demo. And now let me show you the template that we are using here for this purpose. So this is my template that we are using, the name of which is new underscore lead underscore sign up. Okay, so here you can see this is a message template I have created, and I have two variable tags here after hi and here. Okay, and these variables are going to change with the new message like this. You can see in the preview, after hi there will be the name of the person, and here after welcome there will be the name of the company or your website address or whatever you want. All right, so you have to select this message here first in your workflow template here. So from this template name field, you can see all the message templates that you have created and approved inside your API setup. From here, search for your template like this. All right, and after selecting the template, you can see the language code and the template ID filled up here automatically. And now it is asking for the recipient's mobile number or the WhatsApp number. So guys, here we are going to use this test data that we have received in the first step. All right, and here we got this user registration number label. So I'm going to map this label here in this field. Okay, so to map that, just click here and it will show you this previous step in the drop down, and by clicking on it you can see all the data that you have received in the first step. So from here, just map this number label, number box label, okay, like this. And here in the body field 1, it is showing the body field 1 and 2. Okay, so guys, to get these variables changed with every new message, you need to map the values of these variables or the body fields inside your workflow. Okay, so I'm going to use the test data only to map the name of the person. Just go to WordPress users tab, and from here you will get the name like this. Okay, first name and the last name. So map it. So let me map the full name here. All right, and here you can enter your company's name, your website address. Okay, so I'm putting here, I'm just showing you the demo, so let me put here www.pabbly.com. okay, so you can enter your website address here. Right now guys, you can check your connection also with WhatsApp by clicking on save and send test request. And guys, I can show you how the message will look like because I have the access of this WhatsApp number. So let me show you the message. So guys, this is my WhatsApp account, and let me show you the how the message will appear. I am clicking on save and send test request here, and you will see a new message on the WhatsApp. You can see we have received this response. Let me show you the message, and you can see we have received the message as this. Hi John Matthews, thanks for signing up. Welcome to this website. We are so lucky to have you as a precious user. You'll be among the first one to hear about new arrivals, big events, and special offers. If you need any support, don't hesitate to reach out. So this is the message template I have created here. You can see inside Meta developer section, inside our API setup, and in place of the body fields, the variables, you can see we got the name of the person updated automatically as John Matthews, and this is the website address. So these are the same things that we have mapped here. Okay, so this is how it is going to work in real time, guys, and we are done setting up this automation. So here you can see I have connected WordPress website by following these instructions and fetch the test data by creating a test user. After that, I connected WhatsApp Cloud API setup in the action step and mapped the data like this. So guys, when you map the labels like this, what will happen? It will change with every new message. So you have to set up this automation only once. After that, as and when you are going to get a new user, these messages are going to be delivered automatically. Okay, with the same with the new things here in place of body fields. Okay. So guys, here's how it is going to work, and you can use the same workflow that I have created because I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly.
Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.